Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and a stable connection because driver updates can require restarts. Once done, press Windows plus X and choose Device Manager. This opens the system view where driver's live. Make sure to expand mice and other pointing devices to locate your touchpad entry. Sometimes it lists as HID compliant. You do this now so you're modifying the correct device. If you see multiple entries, right-click each to view properties and identify the one that lists your manufacturer. Now you'll attempt the actual update or rollback. Right-click the identified touchpad device and pick Update Driver to let Windows search automatically. This is fast and often sufficient. If you have a vendor file, choose Browse My Computer and point to the driver folder. This ensures the exact driver installs. Alternatively, open Properties and use Rollback Driver when touchpad problems began after a recent update. That reverses to the prior driver, which can immediately restore expected behavior. Finish by installing the official manufacturer driver if Windows can't find one. Go to the vendor's support page and download the Windows 11 package, then run the installer. Alternatively, in Device Manager, uninstall the touchpad device, restart, and let Windows redetect before installing vendor software. This clears corrupted driver remnants. If it still fails, make sure the touchpad is enabled in Settings Right Arrow Touchpad and check BIOS/UEFI for a disabled pointing device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.